This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 10T versus the OnePlus 10 Pro. Now the OnePlus 10T has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. This one has 16 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of Oxygen OS 12.1. The OnePlus 10 Pro has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. This one has 8 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of Oxygen OS 12.1. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. OnePlus 10T versus OnePlus 10 Pro speed test. Which OnePlus will have the faster boot up? Looks like the 10T is ahead. Oh! OnePlus 10T super fast on the boot up. Wow, already in the phone. Go ahead and wait for the 10 Pro here. Let it do its thing. Here we go. And we're in. Real quick, we'll go to the RAM on both phones. And as you can see, the RAM expansion I have enabled up to 7 gigs on the OnePlus 10T and 5 gig on the OnePlus 10 Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. Do this on both phones. And as you can see, no recent tasks on either phone. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Basically identical, but you guys are the judges. Messages. Very close again. I think that was the 10 Pro. You guys are the judges. Let me know in the comments. The camera. Pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder. I think that was the 10T. Fire up the clock on both phones. Very close. I think that was the 10T actually, but let me know in the comments. Go ahead and start the stopwatch. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close. Do my quick calculation. Leave it right there. Play Store. Very close. Ooh, look at that up top. Happened at the same time. I don't know. You guys are the judges. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on this one. We'll leave it on that page. Amazon. Very close again. I don't know, you guys are the judges. Click on this, okay. Click on this, unavailable on this one. Let's click on one more. Click on this. There, we'll leave it there. eBay. Ooh, very close, I think that was the 10T. Go ahead and click on this. Leave it there. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see. Oh, that was so close. Slow down the video for me on YouTube, 0.25x, and let me know in the comments. Very close. I think that was the 10T on that one. Subway Surf. Loading on both phones. Let's see which one will be faster. Oh boy. Ooh, so close. I think that was actually the 10 Pro. Again, let me know in the comments. We'll tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Let's see. I think the 10T is ahead. Ooh, but the 10 Pro caught up. I don't know. You guys are the judges. Let me know in the comments. Modern Combat 5. Ooh, so close. Oh, okay. Both are extracting files. Let's see which one's out in front. Ooh, the 10 Pro out in front. Tap to continue. We'll give the win to the 10 Pro on that one. PUBG. Ooh, let's see what happens here. Loading on both phones. Let's see. Oh! Ooh! We'll give the win to the 10T on that one. But very close race. Very close. IG. Very close, I think that was the 10T. Snapchat. Very close, I think that was the 10 Pro. We do have Chrome on both phones. Let's see, let's do a search for, I don't know, what's on my mind? Damn, it's kind of hot right there. Okay, let's do a search for Caseology. They make cases for phones. So we'll just go ahead and do a search for this. We'll do a image search. Very close. All right, let's click on this image. Very close. We'll do the pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on both phones with their fast displays. Click on this. Nice and fast. Click on this. Pretty quick. Click on this one. This one. Both are pretty quick. Now I can't see the bottom part of the page here on the 10T, but I think it's loading. See, it's right there. So really the web browsing here, nice and butter on both phones. I see no real differences. The scrolling here is nice and smooth. On the images, we'll do the pinch to zoom again. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and do the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now on a side note, what I do like about Oxygen OS is they have this row of icons here on the bottom. So you can do this on the app switching. I think that's a nice touch. We'll go ahead and run through these apps again. And we'll have a look. See what happens. If there's gonna be any lags or any stutters, we'll take a note of. And so far, none yet, which is what I wanna see. Okay, the MC5 is reconnecting and you can resume. Not a problem. So you can see, it's what I wanna see. Angry Birds 2. Oh, a reload here on the OnePlus 10, the Pro model. Okay, take a note of that. Now, in the beginning of the video, you saw that I did enable the RAM expansion. Okay, so take a note of that. Let's see, Subway Surf. Oh boy, the 10 Pro is reloading apps. Meanwhile, on the 10T, you can continue. Not a problem. Okay, take note of that. Again, remember, I enabled the RAM expansion here on the 10 Pro. And oh boy, 10 Pro is just reloading everything. Okay, well, it is what it is. Kept eBay right there though. Amazon, and even the Amazon reloaded. Oh, 10 Pro. What is happening, 10 Pro? Play Store is at the same place. Calculator, there you go. Clock, still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this app reload ever. The camera. Ooh, 10 Pro was actually pretty fast on that one. You guys let me know in the comments. Messages, faster on the 10T, and finally the phone app, faster on the 10T. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.